Welcome to the best free productivity apps.
Looking to get more done with your smartphone? Discover 5 powerful free apps that help you organize, customize, and streamline your workflow. These tools are easy to use, widely available, and designed to boost your productivity without costing a dime. Let's explore the essentials every smartphone user should know about.
Trello. Organize your tasks visually.
Trello is a user-friendly app for managing projects and personal to-dos. Create boards for different activities, add cards for your tasks, and move them across lists as you progress. With features like checklists, notifications, and collaboration, Trello makes tracking your goals simple and effective, whether you're working solo or as part of a team.
Google Keep. Quick notes and reminders.
Google Keep is perfect for capturing ideas on the go. You can jot down thoughts, make color-coded checklists, and set reminders that sync across all your devices. Voice notes, photo attachments, and easy sharing make it ideal for everything from shopping lists to important meeting notes, keeping you on top of daily tasks effortlessly.
Forest. Stay focused and beat distractions.
Forest helps you put your phone down and stay focused. Plant a virtual tree and watch it grow as you work. If you leave the app, your tree stops growing. This playful approach encourages concentration and time management, making productivity feel rewarding. Forest is especially helpful for students and anyone who struggles with smartphone distractions.
IFTTT. Automate everyday tasks.
This is If This Then That. Lets you create simple automations between your favorite apps and services. Turn on smart home lights, save email attachments automatically, or send yourself reminders, all hands-free. With thousands of free applets to choose from, IFTTT helps you save time and cut out repetitive actions.
Microsoft OneDrive. Easy cloud storage and file sharing.
Microsoft OneDrive provides secure, free cloud storage for your important files and photos. Easily upload, organize, and access documents from anywhere. Its seamless integration with other apps makes sharing simple, ensuring you always have the latest versions at your fingertips. OneDrive is a reliable way to back up your work and collaborate remotely.
Level up your productivity today.
Empower your smartphone with these top free apps. Whether you're organizing tasks, taking notes, staying focused, automating routines, or managing documents, these tools can transform how you work. Try them out and create your own productivity toolkit. Your future self will thank you.